In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email inbox to your HubSpot portal and CRM. It's a simple process that'll keep all your communications centralized and streamlined, making it easier to manage your contacts and nurture leads. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to head over to the HubSpot user guide. This is the starting point for managing your HubSpot preferences and settings. You can easily find it by navigating to the HubSpot portal at appna2.hubspot.com. Once you're there, the next step is to jump into your settings. You'll find the settings icon in the main navigation bar, typically at the top right of your HubSpot dashboard. It's represented by a gear icon, which is a pretty universal symbol for settings. After you click on the settings icon, it will take you to a new page where you can manage various preferences related to your HubSpot experience. Look for the section labeled Email Mankuwacho. Clicking on Email will bring up more detailed options related to your email settings. This is the place where we'll handle the task of connecting your email. Next, within the email settings, you'll see an option that says Connect Personal Email. Click on that and it will guide you towards linking your personal email with the HubSpot system. This step ensures that your communication efforts are centralized, so you're not juggling different platforms or missing important emails. Once you've clicked on Connect Personal Email, you should see another option that says Connect Your Inbox. Selecting this will prompt you to choose your email provider. HubSpot supports most major providers like Gmail, Outlook, or Office 365. Follow the prompts to log into your email account. HubSpot will then request the necessary permissions to access your email so it can keep all your correspondence up to date within your CRM. And that's it! You've now successfully connected your email inbox to your HubSpot portal and CRM. By linking your email, you can automatically log all your email correspondence with contacts, making it easier to track communications and keep your information organized. This setup not only saves time, but also enhances your efficiency by having everything in one place. Just a quick tip: regularly check your email settings to ensure everything remains connected and runs smoothly. This way, you'll maximize the benefits of having an integrated email and CRM platform. If you encounter any issues while following these steps, don't hesitate to return to the user guide for additional support or reach out to HubSpot's customer service. They're always ready to help resolve any technical glitches you might face. Thank you for tuning in and happy emailing with HubSpot.